Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator pantry drawer handle. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open the package, you're going to get the new pantry drawer handle. The pantry drawer handle is what you use to open and close the pantry drawer. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and you can't open and close the pantry drawer properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up both refrigerator doors. The pantry drawer handle is down here on the front of the pantry drawer. It's held in by a bunch of clips that go around it. So we're going to pull it out and take it off on the table. All you have to do is pull it out and lift up and pull it off the rails. We're going to set the pantry drawer on the table. Just want to make sure you put a towel down so you don't scratch anything. It's held in by a bunch of locking tabs across the bottom. We're just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to release these tabs that hold the handle onto the drawer. And then you're going to pull out on the handle so it doesn't snap back in. Once you have those released, we're going to flip the drawer over, and then it's hooked in on each side right here. So we're just going to kind of separate it from the drawer a little bit and lift up on it. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the drawer itself. Then we can release the final locking tabs. There's two on each end. Just going to use a small flathead screwdriver again to release them. Once you have these out, we can do the ones on the other end. Then we can separate the trim from the handle. Just want to lift up on it. It might get stuck from some gunk over the years, but you should be able to just lift it right out. Once you have it free, you can separate the two pieces. Here's the old pantry drawer handle next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. We do have to take this protective film off. Once you have it off, we can put it onto the drawer. First, we're going to put the trim back in the handle. Just want to grab it, line it up, and make sure all the clips on the ends snap in. Then we can grab the drawer itself and snap it on. When you put the handle back on the drawer, these are the little hooks right here. They have to hook the handle onto. So we're going to flip the handle over and hook it on each end and then push it down and snap it in. Once you have it started, you can turn it over and just go along and make sure all these tabs are locked in. Once you have it locked in place, we can put the pantry drawer back in the refrigerator. When you're putting the pantry drawer back in, you want to make sure that the little tab right here goes into the rail hook on the back, and then make sure that this tab here goes into the cutout in the rail. You may have to pull out both the rails if one of them went back in, and then you can just set the back in and make sure the tab in the front goes in the slot. Once you have everything in, you can push the drawer back in and close the refrigerator doors. Plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.